This is the flower we will be working on in this tutorial. This is the type of yarn I used for this flower, and this is the yarn I used with this flower, which is what I'll be using in the demonstration. And you can see the flowers come out about the same size. I will be using a size G crochet hook. You can use a larger size crochet hook to make a larger flower. I want to start with a slip knot. I take this yarn, which is the tail, and wrap it over the top. I take this loop and wrap it over the main portion of my yarn, insert the hook underneath, and then on top of this strand here, this creates my slip knot. Chain 6, join, chain 1, I'm not counting that as a stitch, work 1 half double crochet through the loop, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slip stitch in the top of the half double crochet. This is what we have after the slip stitch. Work 2 half double crochet through the center of the loop. Now chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Join with a slip stitch in the top of the half double crochet that you just made. Work 2 more half double crochet. 1, 2, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slip stitch in the top of the last half double crochet that you just made. Work 2 more half double crochet. Chain 7, slip stitch in the top of the half double crochet, work 2 more half double crochet. There's 1, 2, chain 7, slip stitch in the top of the last half double crochet, work 2 more half double crochet through the loop, chain 7, slip stitch in the top of the last half double crochet, work 1 half double crochet, join with the beginning half double crochet, cut the yarn, and then pull it through, and we're changing color. Now attach the new color in any loop with a slip stitch, chain 1, work 12 full half double crochet in each loop. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see I'm crocheting right over my tail so I don't have to sew it in later. We move right on over to the next loop and work 12 half double crochet. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Work 12 half double crochet in the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we've completed 3 petals. We have 3 more to do. You'll do the same thing, work 12 half double crochet in the remaining petals. I have finished all 6 loops with 12 half double crochet. I'm joining with the beginning half double crochet. Wrap the yarn over, pull the loop through, cut the yarn, and then pull it through to secure. I've changed back to the first color. I'm attaching my yarn between the stitches here on round 1. Chain 1, work a single crochet, and I'm working between the stitches. If I were going to add another round on these petals, typically I would go through the top of this stitch right here, but that's not what I'm going to do. There's a loop back here behind the stitches, so this will be left alone. I'm going to pick up this loop and work 1 single crochet. Now behind this loop, I'm going to pick up this loop back here, work another single crochet. This is the front here, and I move it to the back, and right here you can see the loop. This effect pushes the loops that we typically work through the top of to the front of our work. And this is the same as what I do with the ribbing. And we're just working behind the stitch. And so this is another term you may come across every once in a while. Working the loop behind the stitch, that's what this would be, the loop behind the stitch. Work 1 single crochet in each half double crochet for a total of 12. When you get around to the bottom of the petal, work an extended single crochet. That just means we're not going to work it real tight. We're going to give it a little room. Kind of pull it up a little like that. Just like that. Move on to the next petal, working in the loop behind the stitch. This is the front, and I'm going behind the stitch. You can see the front of the stitch right here, and this is the back, working behind the stitch. I'm around between the petals and work a long extended single crochet between the petals, just like that. Then continue around for the remaining petals, working in the back, creating this little ribbed effect around the flowers. I've completed the edging around the flower. Now join in the beginning single crochet. Now cut the yarn and pull it through and give it a good tug, and you've completed your flower.